It's kind of a weird time of day to go cat hunting. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We had a norther blow in. We've got northeast at probably sustained 10 or 12, gust to 18 or 20. Not a good day to cat hunt, but we've got some warm days coming next couple of days, and I've got clients coming here in I think the 1st of February. I got to get these dogs out, so I'm going to hunt pretty much all day today, all over. Try to stay in thick stuff, try to stay as out of the wind as possible, and just go get these dogs on the ground and get them out there. Hadn't hunted them in a couple of days, and I don't like that, you know. Especially having these puppies, they need to see cats. They need to see a lot of them. I'm headed down there now. I think I'm gonna start down in an area where there's a ton of cats, really thick. I feel like in this wind and nasty as it is, it may drizzle today. Hell, it may rain. I don't know. It looks like it. I think those cats are going to be holed up out of the wind. If they're moving at all, they're going to be kind of in tight in that thick stuff. So I'm going to start down there and see what I can get stirred up. I don't know if I do anything. I mean, you never know. I mean, I've been before when I thought the conditions were perfect and didn't catch anything, and I've been when I thought that they couldn't get any worse and catch 5. So you don't know. Well, we made it down here to where we're going to go. I'm going to jump out and turn these dogs loose and get to hunting. Well, it looks like this couple days rest got them ready to roll here. Rolling down the road. I've got all 3 puppies with me today. I did not bring Smoke, and I did not bring Toby. They're old. Let them lay up and just get ready for the clients to get here. I did bring Ellie. She is old, but I didn't take her last time, so you can kind of tell she's old. She's right here in front of the truck. All the rest of them are 100 yards further down the road going crazy. Stormy started a cat over here in the prairie. Sounds like a little bit better trail. They're kind of going back to the southwest. I kind of expect to see the cat cross up here ahead of us. They're cold trailing off that way though. You see what happens. Still going on with it. It's sounding better. I hear Ike rolling in there. Surely they're not going to stay out in that stuff. You'd think that cat would come back to the brush side here. Hell, I think they got this cat jumped. That cat's surely going to circle back over here. I can't imagine that cat staying over there. That's just kind of mesquite brush, a little bit thick, saltgrass flats. If he doesn't make a turn here pretty quick, I'll go over there. But right now, real hard for me to believe he's not going to come back. I'm running the hell out of him. He's going straight away. Let's go. I'll be damned. I mean, he's still pulling out, going straight away there. Have to go through this gate up here, and then from there figure out what the hell our next move is gonna be. It's crazy. Them dogs are treed in there. They're 500 yards from me right here. Yeah, they're 300 from that road. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna turn around and go over to the main road and come in that way. I think that's gonna be our best bet. He treed in there. I can't believe something bound to snatch his ass out of that tree by the time we get over there. I'm gonna try and drive across this bitch. I don't know if I can, but I mean, these dogs are way out there, and I just wonder if I can't go around this thicket and get a little closer to them. Son of a bitch. They're treed over here. It can't be much of a damn tree. Treat again. My GPS won't pick up satellites. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it needs an update, which I think is nonsense. But either way, my internal compass was clearly screwed up, because I have absolutely no idea where I'm at right now. I came out on a road. I did not see this road when I left the truck. So I'm going to follow it until I find something that I recognize. Did y'all hear that? I may be going to catch another cat before I follow it. Well, I caught that cat and my GPS wouldn't work. I got turned around, lost. Took me forever to get back out to the road. Then I was half mile from the truck, had to walk all the way around and walk back through that salt grass to get to where I parked the truck. And right when I got to the truck, the dog started a cat. Trail sounded pretty good. They came back this way, back to the west, and took me forever to get turned around and drive out of there. And I got over here and they'd kind of hushed, and now they're just kind of trailing. I don't even know what the hell's going on, but I'm gonna sit here and listen for a little bit. If they don't get something done, I'm gonna call them out. Just go hunt somewhere else. I kind of think this was a kitten. Dogs would run, 50, 75 yards and hush. And run 50, 75 yards and hush. Then they'd have to trail again. And then they'd jump. And they'd go another 75, jumped, and then hush. And I've done that a lot. And it's usually a cat about that tall. I called them out of there. I'm going to go get them some water, and we'll see. I'll go hunting somewhere else. We'll get these dogs a little water, and we'll go somewhere else. Well, I hunted out this pasture. Never had to bark at anything, nothing. Kind of surprised we caught the one we did. The conditions the way they are, but it worked out pretty good. Had a good race. Dogs did real good. Hunted them for, I don't know, we left at 9 o'clock this morning and it's 5:15 this afternoon. So, hunted them good. Got the edge knocked off. Got hunters coming here in a couple of days. That was the priority. So I'm going to go to the house and unload them and get everything charged up so I can film the next one.